Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be another cleaning video, obviously, with me cleaning my laundry room again. As you guys know from previous videos, my laundry room is completely a disaster pretty much all the time. So today I'm taking the time out and cleaning it and finishing up some laundry, and as you can see, I've got a huge pile of towels and blankets that need to be cleaned. So that's what I'm maybe focusing on in addition to just the regular clothing that need to be hung up. I'm only going to be putting away my shirts for right now because I'll go back later and fold all the clothing, the shorts, the underwear, and all that stuff. But I just wanted to get all the shirts and sweatshirts hung up so they wouldn't get all wrinkly. I don't know if it's just me or do you guys collect a bunch of crap on top of your dryer too? Most of this is just tags from Christmas clothing that my kids got, that me and my husband got. For some reason there's some medicine in a water bottle and an air pump on there also. I usually leave change on there too. If I find it in the washing machine, then I'll go ahead and put it over in the coin collection that I've got going on. All the change and dollar bills that I find, unless it's a large amount, in the dryer washer, I put in a vase that you'll see later on, and I will save it up for a few months, and then I'll go cash it in and put it in my kids' savings account. So for my towels, I wash them on hot, and the color doesn't matter because they've all been washed so many times. I wash them on hot, and I put just regular Tide laundry detergent in there, but I also use vinegar as a fabric softener, and kind of takes away this, the moldy smell that towels can get, especially when they've been sitting in such a big pile for way too long, to be honest. So another thing I like to do is hang my clothes on the dryer door while I'm taking the rest of the clothes out, so that way, in case I don't put them away right away, I can just lay them and they will be flat and won't get wrinkly. So honestly, sometimes it can be days before I will put the shirts away, not gonna lie. It's nighttime now. Honestly, this has been the laziest laundry I've done. I hate doing laundry. Pretty sure most people hate doing laundry. So I just slowly been doing laundry all day, and then I'll hang these shirts up and go put them away, and I'll fold up my towels afterwards. And then I will finally get to cleaning up the actual laundry room. So here you see me separating out my clothes and all of our clothes out, and I have a bin for regular clothes, white clothes, jeans and sweatshirts, and then a basket for new clothes that need to be washed separately from everything else. And when we bought this house, I was so obsessed with this laundry room because it is so beautiful, but more often than not, it is just a big cluttered mess. It collects stuff hides there, and it disappears, and it can be forever before I can clean it because it's just so overwhelming sometimes that I just completely avoid it. I don't know if you guys have any rooms like that in your house, but this definitely is the biggest trash collector in my house. I've tried organizing it 1,000 times. All my drawers are organized, but my shelves, if you look in them, they're a disaster. The countertop, as you can see, is a disaster. There's so much that I need to do in there, but it's so overwhelming that I literally cannot even contemplate doing it because it's just too much, to be honest. So I have this big box on my countertop because I was sent it from Rust-Oleum. I went to a woodworkers workshop in Erie, Pennsylvania, and they were nice enough to send me this huge box of stains and stuff, but it's too hot to keep it outside in, Arizona, so I keep it in my laundry room, and I'm already so stacked full of paints and stains from them that I don't have anywhere else to put it. So for now, in this box is where they're gonna stay. Guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it motivated you to get something that you need to done today. As you can see, it's not all done. It's not perfect. It's how I roll. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day. See you next time.